In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro to your phone step by step. This setup lets you watch live video and control your camera from anywhere. First, plug in your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro and power it on. Next, download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. It's free and easy. Tap the plus icon in the app to add a new device. Search for Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro from the device list and select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your camera into pairing mode. Usually, this means pressing and holding the reset button until the indicator light blinks or you hear a beep. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the camera doesn't support 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to connect to your camera. Once connected, you'll see the live video feed and can start using all the features right away. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tutorials.